This is WPS Assistant. I am here to guide you through today's video about some basic techniques that most of our users sometimes having trouble with. The purpose of this video is to help you have a better understanding towards our product, in order to achieve a more efficient and more convenient experience. Today, we are going to focus on some of most used shortcut keys that are shared in all of our WPS product, including spreadsheet, Word document, and presentation. Through a better usage of shortcut key, it will shorten your working time significantly. Let's get started. These are the most basic shortcut keys that you can use to replace some simple actions, such as select every word instantly or changing the font type. It's a simple operation for you just need to press Control button on your keyboard and press another key together. For more detailed video illustration, please keep on watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and we hope to see you next time.
Hello friends, you're watching Android Tech Solutions, and today in this video I'm going to show you how we can install WPS Office in a Linux machine. So the common problem which users face after switching from Windows to Linux is they are not able to find a good Office suite. Okay, so we have in Linux also, we have in Linux LibreOffice, okay, but which is not that much user friendly. The GUI is not that much good, and it's not user friendly, okay, but it is an open source software, okay, as compared to if we talk about Microsoft Office, which requires a license, right? So as an alternative, we in Linux we have WP Office. We can use WP Office. We can download and install WPS Office, and we can get started with it. So to install WPS Office in Linux, we'll open our browser. And here we'll just go to linux.wps.com. Okay, you have to go to this site, linux.wps.com, and here when you open the site you'll find a download button, so you have to click on this download button, and here you will find two packages for installing WPS Office. One is Debian package, another is RPM package. So Debian is for Debian based operating systems, okay, like Ubuntu, Debian, Kali Linux. Okay, if you have a Linux distribution of any of these flavors like Ubuntu, Debian, Kali Linux, Linux Mint, so in that case we'll be going with the Debian package. Or if you are using a Red Hat based operating system, Red Hat family like Red Hat, CentOS, Fedora, so in that case we have to download this package, RPM, Red Hat Package Manager. So right now I am in a Ubuntu machine, so I'm going to install the Debian package. So first here we have to click here. So the download has been started. Alright, so it has been downloaded. So I'll just open my file browser, file manager, and I'll navigate to my downloads folder. Yeah, and here is that file downloaded. So now we can simply right click on it and we can click on open with software installer. There are two ways to install it. One is this way, like you can simply right click on it and open it with a software installer, or you can also install it with the terminal. Yeah, and here you can simply click on install. And now here it is asking for some authentication. It's asking for your password through which you logged into your machine, the password of this user, the user from which you logged into the machine. It's just your login password. And once you provide it, it will start doing the installation. Okay. Another way is you can simply open terminal. You can go to the folder, downloads folder, right click there, and you can click on open in terminal. Okay, now in the terminal, first run this command ls, and yes, we are able to see that package .deb package of WPS Office. Then you have to just run this command sudo dpkg -i. -i is for installing a Debian package. Then the package name. Okay, and then just hit enter. And then it will ask you for your sudo password. Okay, once you provide it, it will start the installation. Okay, as I have already put it in the installation of through the GUI, so I'll not do this installation, but this is another way to do installation of any Debian package, not only this one. For any Debian package, you can do installation like this, if it is a .deb package. Okay. Okay, now it is installed successfully, so I'll just close this box. Now here you can simply search for WPS, and yeah, we got the softwares installed, set of software tools installed of WPS, which are WPS presentation, WPS doc editor, WPS spreadsheet, WPS PDF. Okay, so I'll just open one of these, let's say WPS writer, and here you can see WPS writer, and here you can simply click on new document to create a new doc. You can create a doc, Excel sheet, or a presentation. You can simply click on here, and you can click on here to get started with creating your doc. Okay, it is quite easy to use and quite user friendly as compared to LibreOffice. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Do like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing tutorials.
When using WPS Writer, how can we customize the font for a document? Head to the Home tab. You can find simplified font settings, such as font and font size. Further detailed settings can be made by right-clicking the mouse and choosing Font in the shortcut menu, or using the shortcut key Ctrl-D to activate the font dialog. In this interface, we can change the settings for Latin text font and Asian text font, which include fonts, font style, and size. You can also change the settings for complex scripts and all text. Take this English document as an example. Select all text contents and pop up the font dialog. Adjust font and size in the Latin text font and choose regular as the font style. Then we can see the final font effect in preview. If we want to input non-Chinese or English characters, such as Arabic, Hebrew, and Vietnamese, go to Complex Scripts for Font, Font Style, Size, and other adjustments. Select a suitable font style for the corresponding language. The text contents will be presented in the right format. If we want to highlight all the text contents, click All Text to personalize your settings for font color, underline style, underline color, and emphasis mark. We can also adopt effects for the text, such as strike-through, superscript, and subscript. Click the Default button in the bottom left corner to save the current font settings as the default font settings. In this way, when creating new documents, WPS Writer will automatically adopt the default font for us. Do you get it? Start to customize your font effect. Download some special fonts when beautifying documents. However, if the same font is not installed on other computers, it may not display correctly. So how can we solve this problem? Here are the steps to insert fonts into documents. Click Menu and then Options in the upper left corner. On the left of the pop-up dialog, select General and Save, and select Embed True Type on the Save interface, and click OK to save again. In this way, after we save the document locally and transfer it to someone else, the special fonts inserted in the document can be displayed normally when he opens the document.